Hello friends, today we are going to learn difference between linear motion and rotation motion. Linear motion, the object is moving from one place to another place. Rotation motion, the object will move with a fixed center. Okay, it's going to move with the fixed center. Okay, so what is the difference between linear and rotation motion, and some many of the equation we are going to see. Okay, in linear motion, x we are taken as a displacement. X, y or s, any of the term. Sometimes we will be taking r also, it's a displacement we are taken. But rotation motion we are taken as a theta. Okay, it is a angular displacement. Okay, here v is a velocity. Okay, linear velocity, that one we can take it as a displacement by time, so that means it's a meter by second. But in rotation motion, angular velocity is the angular displacement by time, so it's a rad per second. SI unit of theta will be rad, time for second. Okay, so again it is linear acceleration. We can call linear acceleration is a velocity by time. The SI unit will be meter by second square. The same thing in rotation motion, alpha is equal to omega by t. Angular acceleration is equal to angular velocity by time. The SI unit will be rad by second square. The next thing, we can take it in linear motion mass, but rotation motion you should take it as a moment of inertia, because all the mass is going to concentrate at center. Okay, that is called mr square. Here will be the mass will be m. The SI unit will be kg here kg meter square. Kg is for mass, meter square is for radius. Okay, and here we can take it as a force is equal to mass into acceleration, that is kg meter second minus 2. But same thing we can take here, it is a torque. It's a force into perpendicular distance. Force is a newton, distance, perpendicular distance, radius is a meter. Okay, again here work done we are going to take it as a force into displacement. Work done is a force into displacement, but here work done we are going to take it as a in a rotation motion, work done is a torque into angular displacement. It is a linear displacement, it is an angular displacement. Okay, here newton meter is SI unit, here newton meter rad is SI unit. Okay, again here in linear motion kinetic energy of mv square, but in rotation motion kinetic energy of I omega square, because mass we are taken as I, velocity we are taken as omega. Okay, so in linear motion we can take it power is work done by time, that is a work done is a force into displacement by time. So displacement by time we can take it as a velocity, so for power is equal to force into velocity. Okay, and the same thing here we'll get power is work done, angular work done by time. Angular work done is torque into d theta by dt. So theta by t, displacement by time, is angular velocity, so torque into velocity, it's a power. Next, equation of motion, v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus of at square, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. But the same thing, v we can take it as omega, u we are going to take it as omega naught, a we are going to take it as alpha, t is c only. Okay, s we are going to take it as theta, u we can take it as omega naught plus t of alpha t square. V we can take it as omega square, omega naught square plus 2 alpha theta, because V we are taken here it is omega, U we are taken as omega naught, A we are taken as alpha, S we are taken as theta, and that is the thing. Okay, and another thing, it's linear momentum. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity, but angular momentum L. Angular momentum is equal to linear momentum into radius. Linear momentum is a mass into velocity into radius. Okay, so velocity we can write as omega r. Velocity is equal to omega r. That means L is equal to m omega r into r. So mr square omega. So L we can take it as I omega. Thank you.